Civil engineering is very important to our society since it provides us with the stable structures necessary for our everyday lives. Today we will discuss what civil engineering is and what civil engineers do in a brief video. To start, civil engineering can be defined as a professional engineering discipline that deals with the design, construction, and maintenance of the physical and naturally built environment, including works like bridges, roads, canals, dams, and buildings. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, civil engineers conceive, design, build, supervise, operate, construct, and maintain infrastructure projects and systems in the public and private sector. Essentially, what they do on a daily basis can change because they have many different responsibilities. Civil engineers mainly work in offices, but they also visit construction sites to make sure everything is going smoothly. They are constantly working with one another, with architects, construction workers, and supervisors. On most days when they're in offices, they may be editing designs, doing calculations, and planning construction. This ensures that there will be a practical, strong building at the end of the process. If the building were to fall over, most of the blame would fall to the civil engineers behind the job. Civil engineers also need to take the construction site into account. The soil must be strong enough to hold up the buildings, the terrain must be flat enough, and if it isn't, then they might have to fix it or work around it. This is mostly because of the foundation that has to be dug into the ground. If the soil is not of proper strength, the foundation will not hold up properly and support the structure. For many jobs, the civil engineers work with the architects or the blueprints from the architects. This will provide the size, shape, layout, and look of the building. But the engineer's job is to make sure that it can be built properly and strong enough to withstand the necessary pressure, which means that they need to do calculations to ensure the strength the building will have. Now, all these descriptions represent the most basic kinds of civil engineers, but because it's such a broad field, there are many more jobs in specific fields that people can have, and these are still encompassed in civil engineering. Some of these jobs are involved with water treatment, mining, or traffic. This concludes the video. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the channel to see more informative videos like this one.